Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is CJ Malo, and recently I have made a few videos regarding the rampant IRS phone tax scams that are now being perpetrated against citizens of the United States and also other countries too. The basis of this scam is somebody will call you and claim that they are from the IRS and that you're in a lot of trouble. You made a mistake on your taxes, you owe back taxes, and if you don't act right away and try to, cover the debt and send them money right away, within 45 minutes to an hour, there's going to be police and sheriffs at your door waiting to arrest you. This is the major line that they're using on people. Now, to a lot of us, this may sound totally ridiculous, and we might just laugh this off and hang up the phone because we realize that this probably, most likely, is not real, because we know that that's not how the IRS operates. However, there are many, many people who have fallen prey to this scam, either because they didn't know any better, they were not in their full mental capacity because maybe they were elderly, maybe they were autistic. Whatever the case may be, there are people who are falling prey to this, and that's why I decided to make those videos. I want to make everybody aware that this is a scam. These people are calling from countries like India, in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, could be any country in the world, Nigeria, it could be any country, but those are the ones that you're usually going to be getting the calls from. Now, this has nothing to do with Indian people or people from Bangladesh. I know that the majority of all of those people are good people, just like all of the majority of Americans are good people, and most of them, people in the world are good people, okay? The problem is people are losing a lot of money, especially elderly folks, because they're being preyed on the most. So I want to make you all aware of this. If you want to hear what these phone calls sound like, I've made 4 videos where you can get a good idea of what they will say and what they will try to get you to do, and how you can spot that it's not a real call from the real IRS. The Internal Revenue Service does not operate like that. They will contact you by mail, by certified letter, and then you will be given instructions on what the next steps you need to take are, depending on whatever the situation is. But they won't call you on the phone, and they won't tell you that you're going to be arrested within 45 minutes. It just doesn't work that way. So be very vigilant of these calls. Now, how should you approach a call if you know that it's a scammer? You'll see in my videos that I willingly had conversations with these people, but strictly for educational purposes, and once I felt I made enough videos to show many different scenarios, I stopped making them. I do not recommend that you engage them in any way, that you try to anger them, that you insult them, or that you give them any reason to target you even further. Okay, there could be dangerous repercussions, that could come from angering these people. There have been reports that they will call your local police department on you and say that there is some sort of a situation there that requires their presence. Okay, they will spoof your phone number and make it look like calls that people are getting from them are actually coming from your phone number. Okay, and that can be an absolute nightmare. You would have to change your phone number. So let me reiterate, let me make it very clear. I do not recommend engaging them. What I recommend you say to them is this: thank you for making me aware of the situation. I'm going to go to my local or my regional IRS office and in person, and I'm going to get this sorted out. I appreciate your call. Have a nice evening, and then or morning, and then hang up the phone. That's all you need to do. Okay, if they continue to call, I would not pick up the phone, because you'll realize what numbers that are probably them calling you. So I would just recommend to not even answer the calls. But don't anger them, because you just don't need the headaches. Okay, now that you're aware of what's going on, you can watch the videos that I made, and you can learn what to expect and what to look for. My goal here is, I really hope that I helped a lot of people, and I really hope that I helped a lot of people to not get scammed and lose their hard-earned money, or their retirement money, or money that they need for medical expenses or what have you. So that's my intent here, okay? And hopefully we can all spread the word to each other. The best thing that you can do is tell a friend, tell a coworker, tell a family member, have them tell their family members, and get the word out. Get the word out that this stuff is going on, and that it is going on at a very, very, very big scale. I've read some articles that estimate that these scams are actually up 400% from last year. So that's a huge jump. Okay, so just be careful, be vigilant. I wish you all good luck and good health, and don't fall prey to these guys. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day or evening, and I hope to speak to you again soon.